Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Zebra ZT230 printer is stuck printing unwanted labels, or you accidentally sent the wrong print job, it can quickly waste labels and time. Many users try turning the printer off immediately, but that doesn't always clear the queued jobs, especially if they're coming from the computer or network. The key is to stop the current job and clear the queue properly so the printer can return to normal. The best thing is that once you know the correct way to cancel print jobs, you can fix the issue in seconds and avoid unnecessary reprints. Try these. Step 1. Press the pause button on the printer to stop current printing. Step 2. Press and hold the cancel button to clear the active job. Step 3. Go to your computer's print queue and delete pending jobs. Step 4. Restart the printer to fully reset the print system. Step 5. Check the connection to ensure no new jobs are sent automatically. Step 6. Resume the printer and test with a fresh print job.